Hi guys, welcome to the video demonstrating another functionality of EduNotes, the automatic synchronization with an Excel file stored in Google Drive. Well, imagine that you have a group of students who want to cooperate, who want to share the data. Of course, it is possible to have an Excel file and always redistribute it after every change. But, well, there is still an unnecessary overhead. What if there can be one Excel file stored somewhere, and when someone, well, maybe a teacher for example, or some leading student, makes a change there, it is automatically distributed to all the other users who are using this as a source of his data. That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? And this is perfectly possible, and I will now show you how. Here I have a German language subject. Please notice the green refresh icon on the top. It got green a moment after I've got here. Green color means synchronization went well and my data is up to date. When I click on the icon, I see the synchronization settings. This is the subject for update, but for now let me explain. The first field is the ID of an Excel file stored in Google Drive. I am underlining the Excel file, not Google Sheet file. But don't worry, even if you do not have Microsoft Office license, you can create an Excel file using Google Sheet by saving Google Sheet as an Excel file. But back to this ID. This value is extracted from the share URL provided by Google Drive. I will show you later. And the second attribute is obviously the sheet name. This is the name of the sheet, which should be used from that referenced Excel file. So let me open the Excel file directly on a Google Drive, which is the source of this data. So here I am on Google Drive, and here it is. So I will just add some dummy entry here and save it. Well, this is exactly the same as if some other person somewhere else edit the entry there. And please, you might notice those attributes P6 and P7. These are the synchronization data as well in this Excel file. So if someone imports this file for the very first time, it starts synchronizing automatically. So now I save the file. Here it is. And open the app again. I go into German language and I got a message that some data were added. Cool, it works. The rules, which data are added, which are updated and so on, they were described in the previous video. They are still the same. The synchronization settings, if set, are always part of the data export. Even when I choose to export only questions and answers, here I will just do the export and show you. So it was exported. Now we'll find the file. Videos. So here it is. This is the Excel file which I just exported, and the synchronization settings are there. And now, where I can get the file ID? Well, when I have files stored at Google Drive, it must be shared, so also other people can download it. The sharing must be of type that anyone with the sharing link can download the file. Because here we are in the area of education, so I think having the access based on the link is definitely enough. The link itself is so crazy that, well, you will see. If someone wants to have his data really 100% private for a certain group of people for some strange reason, then he simply has to use other ways of sharing. So I will copy the link and go back into the app. Here I create a new test subject and set it up. When created, well, this subject has no synchronization settings, so let's change it. To the first field I just copy the link. You see the link is crazy long. And what I want out of this is this string. Right after the slash and before slash edit. So I delete the beginning and delete also the end. Write also the slash edit. So here it is. This is my ID. And I set the sheet name. So, well, for testing purposes I will put the ABC, which is incorrect value. So you will now see there is some error message and the thing icon is red. It went wrong. So now I enter the correct value, which is German language, and if I got it right, yeah, I got it right. So this subject is synchronized with that Excel file stored on the Google Drive. So this is how it works, and I honestly hope that it will serve you well.